The storm began to calm. Narakasura's unstable form clashed with the elder's divine light, shaking the temple with intense energy. The villagers, watching in fear, could only hope as the elder stood firm, pouring his strength into the glowing staff. Cracks formed on the temple walls, and the altar's light began to fade, filling the villagers with worry. As the battle intensified, the temple floor cracked beneath them, and Narakasura surged forward, enveloping the elder in a thick cloud of darkness. The elder's light dimmed, but he stood his ground, gathering all his strength for one final stand, as the villagers gasped in terror. In a final burst of divine energy, the elder released a blinding light, driving Narakasura back. The dark smoke evaporated, and the temple began to stabilize as the cracks sealed. The villagers rushed to the elder's side, who stood victorious, his staff still glowing faintly, as peace returned to the temple. Inside the now peaceful temple of Kalapur, the once intense storm has cleared. The atmosphere is tranquil, and the glow from the altar has faded. The elder, weary but victorious, stands in silence, having banished Narakasura's spirit. The villagers, once filled with fear, now surround the elder outside the temple. Their expressions are a mixture of gratitude and exhaustion, as they begin to understand that the nightmare of Narakasura has come to an end. As the sun rises over Kalapur, the village, freed from Narakasura's curse, comes back to life. The villagers, filled with hope, prepare to rebuild their lives, their hearts lightened by the elder's victory in the defeat of the ancient evil. The elder, now visibly exhausted, leans on his staff as the villagers gather around, expressing their gratitude. The storm has cleared, and the sky is calm. While the villagers begin rebuilding the temple, the elder's gaze remains fixed on the horizon, sensing a lingering darkness despite the recent victory. As they work, a faint shadow looms over the distant hills. The elder watches carefully, gripping his staff tightly. The villagers, unaware of his concern, continue their efforts, but the atmosphere grows tense. The elder silently prepares for the dark force that may still come. That night, as the village sleeps, a faint glow from the hills signals the rise of a new ominous threat. The elder keeps vigil, his eyes locked on the glowing hills, sensing that something dark is returning as the winds begin to stir once more.